More than 8 out of 10 drivers have no idea these simple car tricks even exist. And here's the shocking part, one of these easy habits alone can save you thousands by helping prevent early engine damage. Most people go their entire lives without ever using these tips, and chances are, you might be missing them too. So before you waste another dollar at the repair shop, here are 6 smart car hacks most drivers never learn. Don't skip a single one, each of these can save you time, stress, and serious money. Let's start with hack number 6, the Vaseline interior revival trick. Your car's interior plastics look tired, the dashboard is faded, door panels look gray instead of black, and everything feels older than it should. Detailing shops will charge $100 or more to fix it. Auto stores push interior restorers for $15 to $20 a bottle, but the solution is already in your house. Vaseline. Take a small amount of petroleum jelly and apply it to a microfiber cloth, not directly on the surface. Gently wipe your dashboard, door panels, center console, and other plastic or vinyl areas using light, even strokes. Then buff off any excess. The result? Deep color comes back. The shine is restored. Your interior instantly looks refreshed and newer. A single $3 jar can detail your entire car multiple times. But here's what most people don't realize. Vaseline doesn't just improve appearance, it actually protects your interior. The petroleum jelly creates a thin barrier that helps block UV rays, reducing fading, drying, and cracking over time. And this trick doesn't stop there. It also works on rubber door seals, keeping them soft and preventing leaks. It helps preserve steering wheels, gear shifters, and even exterior rubber trim. One simple product, dozens of uses, and serious money saved. Hack number 5, the cat litter trick for foggy windows. Your car windows keep fogging up from the inside. Moisture builds fast, your visibility drops, and suddenly, you're wiping the windshield with your sleeve or blasting the defroster just to see the road. Most drivers panic here. They assume they need expensive anti-fog sprays or think something is broken in the ventilation system. But here's the truth. Your car isn't the problem. The real issue is trapped moisture inside the cabin. And the solution is surprisingly simple. Take a clean sock or a piece of pantyhose and fill it with silica-based cat litter. Tie it off tightly and place it on your dashboard or under a seat. That's it. The cat litter naturally absorbs excess moisture from the air, stopping fog before it ever forms. One sock can keep working for weeks or even months, depending on your climate. When it loses effectiveness, just empty it and refill it. A single $5 bag of cat litter can handle this problem for an entire year. And here's the best part. This trick works all year long. In summer, it reduces that damp, muggy feeling inside the car. In winter, it prevents your windows from frosting up from the inside overnight. What most people never mention is that excess moisture doesn't just cause foggy glass. Over time, it can lead to mold, bad odors, and even damage sensitive electronics inside your vehicle. A simple sock of cat litter can help prevent all of that. Hack number 4. Your headrest is an emergency window breaker. Imagine you're stuck inside your car after a serious accident. The doors won't open due to damage or pressure, and panic sets in. You try hitting the window with your hands or elbows, but nothing happens. That's because car windows are tougher than they look. What most drivers don't realize is that you've been sitting next to an escape tool this whole time. Remove the headrest completely from your seat. The 2 metal prongs underneath aren't just for height adjustment. In many vehicles, they're intentionally designed to help in emergencies. Take one of the metal prongs and wedge it into the corner of a side window, right where the glass meets the door frame. Apply steady pressure and pry outward. The focused force causes the tempered glass to shatter quickly, breaking into small pieces instead of large, dangerous shards. This works because side and rear car windows are made from tempered glass, which is engineered to break safely under concentrated pressure. The metal prongs on the headrest are strong and narrow enough to create the fracture point needed. And this isn't an internet rumor. Many modern headrests are designed with this exact purpose in mind. Important to know, this technique works best on side or rear windows, not the windshield. Windshields are laminated and built to resist shattering, even in emergencies. Knowing this trick ahead of time could make a real difference when seconds matter. Hack number 3, the Magic Eraser's Scuff Remover. Those ugly black scuff marks are everywhere. Door panels, center console, seats, from shoes, bags, or just everyday use. They make your interior look worn out, and no matter what cleaner you try, the marks either smear around or won't budge at all. Here's what most drivers don't realize. Grab a magic eraser, the same one used for cleaning walls at home. Lightly dampen it with water, then gently rub over the scuff marks. They disappear. Magic erasers are made from a micro-abrasive foam that lifts marks off the surface instead of spreading them around. When used correctly, they work on plastic, vinyl, leather, and even painted areas. A $5 pack can clean your entire car multiple times, making this one of the cheapest interior fixes you'll ever use. This trick is especially effective on tough marks that normal cleaners can't handle. Shoe scuffs, pen lines, and those mystery stains that seem impossible to remove. And here's the bonus most people don't know. Magic erasers also work on exterior scuffs, door edge marks, bumper scratches, and even black tire marks left by other cars in parking lots. Just remember, because they remove a tiny surface layer, always use light pressure and test a small hidden area first. Used properly, this simple tool can make your car look years newer. Hack number 2, remove extra weight to save fuel. Lately, your gas mileage feels terrible. You're stopping at the pump more than ever, and it's hitting your wallet. You've tried driving slower, keeping your tires inflated, but nothing seems to make a big difference. Here's what most drivers don't realize. Every 100 pounds of extra weight in your car can reduce fuel efficiency by 1 to 2%. It might not sound like much, but it really adds up over time. Take a look inside your car. Clean out your trunk, back seat, and cargo area. That bag of sports gear you've been dragging around for months, the cases of water, tools you never use, random junk that's piling up. Remove it all. Suddenly your engine isn't working so hard to move all that weight, and your gas mileage improves immediately. People have seen 2 to 3 extra miles per gallon just by taking out 100 pounds of unnecessary stuff. Over a year, that can save hundreds of dollars in fuel. And here's the kicker. Extra weight doesn't just hurt fuel efficiency. It also wears down brakes, suspension, and tires faster. Even worse, roof racks and cargo boxes. Not only do they add weight, but they create aerodynamic drag, cutting highway fuel economy by up to 25%. If you're not using them, take them off. Before we move to the next mind-blowing hacks, do me a favor, hit that like button. We did a ton of research for this, and it really helps us keep making content like this. Done? Awesome. Let's get into something seriously game-changing. Hack number 1. Mix Vaseline with toothpaste to restore headlights. Your headlights are hazy, yellowed, and oxidized, making your car look older than it is, and seriously reducing your visibility at night. Professional restoration can cost $100 or more, and even the cheap store kits usually only last a few months. But here's a simple hack that actually works long-term. Mix equal parts white toothpaste and petroleum jelly in a small bowl. Use a cloth to scrub the mixture onto your headlight in circular motions for a few minutes. The toothpaste acts as a mild abrasive to remove oxidation, while the Vaseline fills in scratches and creates a protective layer. Rinse with water and buff dry with a clean cloth. The result? Crystal clear headlights that look like new. Which hack surprised you the most? Drop a comment below. If you saved money with these tips, subscribe for more quick car hacks. Click the next video. You'll thank me later.